So here's how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on loading screen on PC. So first, click on Marvel Rivals here, and then, for example, right click, go Properties, and then go to Installed Files. You have it installed, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and wait for it to complete the process so that it repairs any corrupted files and re-downloads it again, only the corrupted files. And try to launch the game again and see if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, here's what you can do. You can right click on Windows icon, click Installed Apps, and then look for Riva Tuner or Riva Static Tuner, and then make sure you install this app, as it actually interferes with the game and sometimes it causes the freezes on load. And now you can close this and make sure you also you have the latest graphic card driver. For example, I'm using NVIDIA, so I'm going to open NVIDIA app and then go to drivers section and check for updates, and then download and install the latest version of Game Ready driver. Now once it's installed, you can simply close this and make sure you also close Steam, and then search for Steam again here and right click and run as admin. Now once you run it, try to open the game and see if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, it's recommended to uninstall the game and then reinstall it again. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.